We have a whole range of touch monitors from 16-inch to 27-inch. The technology includes projected capacitive, optical, and also resistive. So here we have a setup for point of sales and food ordering system. So here we have a 27-inch 10-point touch monitors with projected capacity. So for example, the customer can order here. And once the order is being placed, it will be passed to the cashier. The cashier is using a resistive one-point touch monitor, which can recognize any kind of touch input, including the fingers, gloved hands, and also a pen. So here we see the order, and let's do the checkout. And after the cashier has confirmed the order, it will be passed to this projected capacitive touch monitor for the food preparation. And this is using a projected capacitive technology with a 7H hardness glass on top, so it can avoid any scratch. And once it's done, the order will be passed to the delivery where the waiter or waitress can deliver the food to table. For more information, please visit www.viewsonic.com.